What's going on, guys? Super quick video for you today. Today is the day that I'm actually going to start wrapping my car. So I know I've been mentioning this for months, but wrapping is not something that you just want to jump into and do on a whim. It's something that you really need to have a clear schedule for. You want to plan out, have all your materials lined up, and that's finally me. I have a clear schedule. I have everything that I need. So that will be happening later today. The reason I'm making this video is to explain that if you see a break in me uploading, that is why. I didn't die. I didn't go away. I'm not quitting YouTube. I'm just wrapping my car, and I'm expecting this to take probably 3 to 4 days or so, maybe more, hopefully not, but I'm expecting it to take several hours. As always, I will show you everything that I'm doing. I will make an entire playlist for anybody who wants to know how to wrap their car. Unfortunately, I haven't seen too many old Subarus on YouTube as far as getting wrapped. A lot of guys are wrapping the new stuff, the 2015 plus body style. So hopefully this will be able to help somebody who has a Hawkeye or a Blobeye or, you know, an older Subaru. So my car is all packed up. I need to run to the store. Then when I get back, I'm going to wash this. And I'm actually wrapping this over my grandparents' house because they have a nice 2-car garage. And I don't. I have my driveway. And the problem with that is the heat comes out. You have things falling. You have insects flying around. So I am very fortunate to be able to go over to their house and wrap it over there. So that's what's happening today. If you don't see videos, now you know why. But as always, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.